Back at it again with the Mercedes CL500. Today, I'm trying to take care of something with my alarm. It's been working fine for the past year, but now it doesn't respond when I click on the fob. So I'm at the front wheel. We're going to take off this fender liner. 8 millimeters and I think 10 millimeters on these. Gotta take them all off, and then it should be right in here. So let's open this up and see what we find inside. Okay, so after taking out all these various screws, by the way, you need a bunch of these caps. That's going to be, what was that? That's 10 millimeters and then 8 millimeters for these little guys right here. And right over here you got one of these, which is that's an 11 millimeter. Okay, so here we are. Fun stuff. And our alarm module is right in this thing, so we gotta take this out and these things out. It's anchored in with the safety screw, which we need to break open. It's behind this cover. This is your TPMS antenna, so don't mess with that, leave that alone. I'm gonna open this thing up, get it out of here, and then we'll take a look a little more. Okay, so for these bolts right here, these are ridiculous, but 8 millimeters will work. Got to get one of these things. These will get in there at the right angle and help you undo them. Some engineer got creative with these. They're really soft and can easily be rounded off, so just be careful with them. There we go. That came off. So now, hopefully, this entire bracket comes out. There's our alarm. This thing might get retired permanently. Let's take off the cable first. To work that little, I need little needle nose pliers for this. Okay, stay tuned, we'll be right back.
5 hours and 2 packs of gum later.
Well, all right, here it is. I need a bit that will fit there. I think I got some of those. Look who went and got a bunch of metric wrenches. I got everything they had at Harbor Freight. I just bought one down, so I don't want to get stuck without wrenches anymore. It's nothing worse than that feeling that you got one bolt to take off and you don't have the wrench for it. Here we go. I think this is what I need. Let's see which one fits. Let's try to open this thing up and see what's inside. Alright, so using the Dremel, I was able to slice this thing off. So that's the back cover. And here we go. This is the alarm. Essentially, you got the module that controls it. These are the backup batteries. So, in case you need the specs on them, the Varta 3.6 volt, 140 milliamp. Sure lasted a long time. but obviously there's some corrosion there. So I'm going to try to source some new ones. This is the board itself, which looks pretty decent. There's a little bit of some discoloration there, but I think I can clean that off if I can source these things. Hopefully I can just get them swapped out, soldered real quick. It's 4 posts and we're good to go. I think it's worth it. If these cost a couple of bucks and it can save me $150, why not? This is the siren itself. It looks pretty clean inside. No corrosion or anything else. So just got some electrical cleaner. Just tried it out a second ago. There's all this corrosion on there. Spray that on there. Take a little toothbrush. So that's it. That corrosion ate away at the board. You see the copper there is exposed. I'm hoping that isn't permanent damage. It's worth taking these out. Just a few more weeks till I get the replacement ones from China. But for you, it'll just be a few seconds. So many years later, actually, it took me about a month. Here's what we've got. One repaired module for the alarm. The copper is the area where all that goop from the old batteries leaked out. These are the old batteries, Varta, which are made in Germany. It's hard to get these things. So I went to Made in China. Yes, Made in China. Can't believe it myself. I got these things, which are 3.6 volt with 160 milliamps, so they got a little more juice in them. I'm hoping that these work. I got 4 of them for 10 bucks. Wasn't too bad. I soldered them on. So this is it. This is what it looks like. I have no idea if this will work or not. If it doesn't, well, I might need to forego an alarm for a little bit. Not the end of the world. So now we just need to assemble this thing the way it was assembled previously, like so. Now let me put it all together with this thing, the siren, see if she works. Fits like so. Now I just need to seal it up real good with some tape. So let's do that. Let's jack the car up, take off a tire and snap this thing in there. I saw this other guy on YouTube came up with a brilliant plan on his SL to move the wire out of that footwell or wheel well area and move it from here to up here, which on the SL is a lot easier. The wire here in the wheel well area, I suspect, goes into the cabin. Taking that carpet underneath the dash on the driver's side is insanely complicated. So I might just need to put it back where it came from. Let's just see. enough. Okay, it's plugged in. It's locked. Hey! Alright. There she is. She's alive. That's proof you can rebuild your alarm and only spend 10 bucks to do it. Save a lot of money now. Okay, those are snug. Alright, good enough. Let's button it up. We'll put the tire back on. Call it a day.